Welcome to CurlyTea Tech, an offshoot of curlytea.com. If you want to learn how to create custom hair care and skincare products in the comfort of your own home, head over there. But right now, let's get into this tech thing. Now, as you can see, I was having an issue with a WordPress template called Colibri. For me, all of the embedded YouTube videos I posted were being displayed as a small video. I needed to make the video larger and responsive, meaning that it would grow and shrink depending on the viewer's screen size at any given moment. Simply adding a little CSS code into the additional CSS area of your template's admin panel should do the job. The code I added is actually in the description box below. Okay, in the Colibri admin area, scroll down to the left until you see General Settings, then select Additional CSS. This is where you add the code. I just added it at the bottom. Now you see that? Once you add the code, you can immediately see the results to the right. Now the video will take up the available space and will shrink or grow depending on the size of the screen. Colibri's template system is controlling something here, which makes it important that you use the important designation, right? This forces the site to render what you just added and not the default code. For this one, you need to focus on two things: wp-block-embed __wrapper iframe and wp-block-embed. Aspect ratio enforces the 16:9 aspect ratio without the need to designate padding, okay? When you see height auto, it makes sure that the video scales properly. Now, I'm sure some genius has a sleeker way to do this, but this is what has worked for me. It worked the first time, so I'm just gonna use that. You can use this code or not use this code, it's fine. Oh, just to let you know, the code you see on the screen with padding, etc. did not work for me. It did not work. I think it's because Colibri may be using Flex or something that conflicts with this code. It just did not work for my installation of Colibri. Okay, click publish to save the changes, and that's it. I wanted to post this quick video for anyone who may have been having the same issue with this particular template. I noticed that this issue was a problem for me when I tried to use it the first time, and I just sort of moved on to something else. So now I'm back and I figured out how to deal with this, and I wanted to post this video for anyone else who may have been challenged by this. So anyway, thank you guys for watching CurlyTea Tech. If you are so inclined, check out the main website, curlytea.com. If not, I'll talk to you guys soon.